My name is Nigel Fletcher. I'm from the WFF. I've been with the Federation now just over 3 months. We're here today at a members fabrication plant to talk about the Trolex. My day-to-day tasks at the Federation are looking after the membership and the sponsors. That includes anything from marketing, invoicing, right the way through to the operation of best recommendation and best practice to the membership. Today's video is for the membership to understand what is available and how to get best use out of the Trolex. Real-time monitoring has huge advantages. The WFF is promoting best practice. That includes water suppressed cutting, the correct PPE and annual health checks. They're the 3 key areas that we would really promote and ask the membership to follow. As we see greater use of the CNC, the wash down before shift and at end of shift is a very good way of clearing through and making sure the working area is kept to its optimum. The WFF has a lot of sponsors, and in those sponsors are a wealth of knowledge and information. We're keen as a federation to utilise and share that knowledge and find technology that helps protect the workforce. Real-time monitoring is a way of safeguarding and understanding the environment around the workshop. The WFF has partnered with Trolex in order to give a real-time monitoring solution. We are hoping that this supports our membership and the industry in understanding how best practice and modern technology can work in partnership. Looking at real-time data while it's in the workshop helps control and safeguard the workforce.
My name is Rob Kunkel. I work for Cambrian Granite. I'm a business development manager and I look after the customers in terms of samples, pricing and general job service. Protecting our employees from the dangers of RCS, we always use wet polishing, as much CNC work as possible. The machines are always running and very little dry cutting, if any, in the factory. Protect our staff from the dangers of RCS. We have CNC machines which are fully operated with water. General water cutting and extraction is always used. By using real-time monitoring data systems, we can ensure our workers are safe whilst in the factory and in the rest areas. At Cambrian Granite, we've implemented the safe measures by the way of water run machinery, dust extraction and PPE. All our fabricators know the reasons why we use this procedure and understand it. Monitoring data helps keep our staff safe by making sure areas of the factory and rest areas are safe for people to be in.